Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Looks like we get to enjoy some nice summertime weather over the next several days here with mild daytime temperatures in the 70s and lower 80s, and then cool nights with lows dropping off into the 50s for the next few nights here. It is going to be beautiful outside this weekend, and rain does look like it'll make its return as we get to next Tuesday. But until then, it looks like smooth sailing. As we check things out in South Haven right now, you can see that we have just a little bit of a chop on Lake Michigan right now, especially on the north end of Pier. So make sure that you're being careful if you're planning to go to the beach today. Our temperature is at 69 in Grand Rapids now. The dew point comfortably in the mid-50s at 55 degrees with variable winds of 7 miles per hour. Here's a glance at temperatures. They're mainly in the 60s at this point. 69 in Fremont, 68 the update in Ionia, currently 71 in Holland, 70 degrees in Benton Harbor, and 67 in Coldwater. And dew points are down in the 50s. So again, it feels very comfortable outside, and we're going to have some more nice nights ahead of us too, as temperatures will be falling close to those dew point temperatures. Right now, the wind is from the northwest, primarily between 5 and 10 miles per hour. And right now it's 6 in Ionia, 8 miles per hour in Fremont, and a 10-mile-per-hour wind speed in Muskegon. You can see that that has initiated some beach hazard statements along the lakeshore. We also have small craft advisories in effect until 6 o'clock this evening. Wave heights mainly between 1 and 3 feet. You can see the water temperatures are quite comfortable, especially in Holland, in the mid-70s. Here's a look at Storm Track Live. Satellite and radar shows that there is an area of high pressure continuing to build into southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin, and that is going to govern our weather here for the next several days. That's also going to dissipate our rain chances. As you can see, those will be near zero as we continue through today into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll start to work in some more precipitation as we get to the start of next week. But some really nice nights in the coming days here. We should expect to see our temperatures in the 60s tomorrow night and then in the 50s on Saturday night. So beautiful weather if you want to enjoy some camping, or perhaps your travels take you up north. You can expect to have daytime highs in the 70s and 80s across northern lower and into the UP. And it looks like as we go into Sunday, just a slight chance of a shower. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s once again. So really shaping up to be a nice weekend, both here in West Michigan and throughout the remainder of the state. Here's a look at our 8-day forecast then. A mix of sun and clouds for this afternoon as the temperature rises up to 76. You can see those cool overnight lows also in the 50s for the next several days here. 79, mostly sunny skies on Friday. Transitioning into the weekend, just a little bit warmer. Finally achieving 80s again on Saturday and Sunday. Cooler than the average high of 83. We do make it back to 83 degrees on Monday with a partly cloudy sky. And I think that rain will hold off until Tuesday. You can see that we have some shower and thunderstorm chances as we go through next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There's also going to be a noticeable increase in the humidity, so those overnight lows will go from the 50s back into the 60s. Again, we'll have to be on the watch for those thunderstorms to build in as we go through next week.